What's going on, everybody? Here I have a 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe LTZ. I'm at Independence Hummer in Charlotte, North Carolina. And this is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Tahoe. Start it up, show the engine, as well as get an exhaust clip, and show a bunch of the features on the interior as well as exterior. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and start up and let it run. Alright, I have the keys right here. This truck has a remote start, and I'll demonstrate that a little bit later as well. This also comes equipped with the automatic hideaway running boards. Fully loaded leather and navigation. $30,809 miles. Very nice. And the fog lights, hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window. Alright, let's check out the outside. And I apologize for some of the possible highway noise and wind interference. I'll try to limit that as much as possible. It's got a real nice hood design. Two little raised areas right here. Give it a little bit more of a sporty appearance. And you got your chrome mesh grille. Chrome tow hooks. The rims look beautiful on this thing. And we go ahead and pop the hood. It's a 5.3 liter Vortec V8. Power everything, power folding mirrors. person memory and heated seats, door cup holder, full power seats, power lumbar, it's a good sounding V8. Not bad at all. I'll go ahead and shut the door. Dual zone automatic climate control. Different zones. Automatic defrost, air conditioning, passenger controls. This controls your parking assist, pedal adjustment, traction control, heated wiper fluid, power outlets, and it does come with a Bose stereo, equipped with navigation. Stitched console. OnStar. You can also control the rear hatch from here. Hands-free phone. All right. We're gonna shut it off. Captain seating. Seats also fold. They're power folding. For easy rear seat access. And you just lower it manually. Rear seat audio and entertainment, cup holders, Panasonic, .20-inch chrome wheels, running board over here as well. It's also got rear parking assist. Flex fuel E85 ethanol compatible. Rear view camera. And a little lip spoiler coming off the back. It's also got a power lift gate. These seats do fold. Simple as that. And they're removable as well for easy cargo access. And to get them up, you just grab them, pull them. This seat also folds in the same fashion as the other seat. Full power on this side. Not bad at all. Of course, it's heated over here as well. And just a quick demonstration of the remote start. Lock it, and then hold this down. Simple as that. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour of the 2008 Tahoe. Definitely one of the nicer Tahoes I've ever seen. Very nice vehicle. So be sure to stay tuned next time and subscribe today if you haven't. I have a lot more where that came from. Have a good one, guys.